The trick that we do here is converting carbon-rich feedstocks into Dow-relevant products. And we can do that all over the world, and it depends really on the price of the feedstock, what we take in a specific region. And unfortunately, in this region we do not have oil and we do not have cheap gas. So we have been looking for alternative sources of carbon. And strange enough, the SDR exercise taught us that carbon is available in the region and even at low price, because some of the companies in this area produce it as a waste gas, which they simply have to burn because there is no other application. And by using that gas, we would be able to solve their waste problem and have access to cheap carbon for our processes, which is, I guess, win-win for everybody.
The steel production, carbon is an essential element to reduce the iron ores, and the carbon leaves our furnaces in two forms, as carbon monoxide, CO, and as carbon dioxide. If we can combine the CO with, for instance, hydrogen from the chemical industry, we can produce a valuable chemical instead of burning the CO just for plain electricity production. And that way we would reduce enormously the greenhouse gas emissions from the steel industry.
Well, it's not only about the technical part, which is my daily business as an R&D manager, but also about the economic part, and those go hand in hand. First of all, we need to demonstrate that the technology is working, but most of all that it is affordable, because in the end of the day the product that we produce with this technology needs to be competitive with something that we can buy on the market today, and that's oil-based. Oil is relatively cheap at the moment, so you can imagine that the challenge is to beat that. But in the end of the day, we are doing all kinds of exercises to assess where the sensitivities are with respect to the price of the product and the sensitivities with respect to the technology. And hopefully we can find an affordable technology that can manage to get the carbon of the neighbors into products of Dow.